Hey everyone, David Coe here with the Coe Real Estate Group, and today I'm here at The Expression, which is a 9-unit small lot subdivision located in Cypress Park in the northeast neighborhood of Los Angeles. Now, this particular subdivision is nearly completed and we anticipate starting sales sometime in September. There's going to be 3 models. Model 1 is going to be just over 1,500 square feet. Model 2 will be just over 1,800 square feet, and Model 3 will be over 2,000 square feet. The smaller ones will be 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. The larger ones are going to be 4 full bedrooms, 3.5 baths. All of them have really high vaulted ceilings in the living space, and all units have incredible views of the Hollywood sign and Griffith Park Observatory. Now, one of the things about here at The Expression is that you're just in the middle of 2 great areas to hang out. If you like hanging out in Highland Park and Eagle Rock, or whether you like hanging out in downtown LA, we're kind of right in the middle of both. So if you're interested in one of these units, go to expression.la and join our mailing list so you can get updated information on when sales start. Or you can go to our Instagram page, #MyNewLAHome, and follow us there for more information. Thank you.